Alright, y'all. Back with another video. Come check it out. Look, look what I'm doing today, y'all. Looking delicious, ain't it? Alright, y'all. Look at this sandwich today. I'm getting it. Let me zoom right in on it. Y'all can check it out. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. Yes, it look delicious. Yes, it do. Let me take it off for y'all. There you go. Oh, yes. It look good right about now. Yep, so it look delicious. Oh, y'all. Hey, y'all gotta go check this sandwich out, man. Turkey Focaccia. Oh, yes. It's good, man. Oh, yeah, y'all. This is good, man. I took a bite out that turkey sandwich. Yes, it's delicious, y'all. Look at it. Let me show y'all. Yes, I think I showed y'all first, but look at oh man, look at all that turkey on there. It had to add me some pepper on that provolone cheese, love tomato. Oh yes, man, this is delicious, y'all. All right, y'all, this is lunchtime video. But y'all know what it is. I gotta go. You know, I gotta get ready to go down. All right, don't forget to like my video, man. I appreciate everybody watching. Everybody take care, be safe out there. I'm out. Peace. Alright, y'all, I destroyed that sandwich. You see what's left of it. I just had to show y'all it was good. See why really tasting good. Yeah, gone. Alright, it's to the end. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. Just showing y'all it was good, so alright, I'm out.